With everything that's going on in the economy right now, you might be wondering, is it still possible to grow my law firm, or am I stuck with just trying to protect, tread water and wait for the storm to blow by? Well, we've already helped many lawyers to continue growing their practice throughout various different economic crises, including the most recent COVID-19 pandemic and all the impact that that had on the economy, especially during the lockdowns. And from that, I can tell you that it absolutely is possible to continue growing your practice despite the economy maybe going that way when you want to be going that way. It's absolutely possible. And I want to share with you today my 3-step planning process to make this a reality. So the very first thing you need to do if you want to create a plan is, instead of just writing down ideas on a piece of paper of things you could do, you need to take a step back or even a step up and look down like a bird's eye view on your business. And you need to understand, where are you in your practice growth journey? Like, what position if you imagine a scale going from red zone to amber zone to green zone of success, red zone of startup and struggle, right through to green of success. Where are you on that scale? Because depending where you're starting from, there's going to be different kinds of strategies that are relevant for you, appropriate for you, and albeit indeed doable for you. So it's a bit like if I went to a personal trainer in the gym and I said I wanted to increase my muscle density or muscle amount, and the trainer gave me a program that's suitable for someone who's already a bodybuilder, and they say, okay, so start bench pressing this 50 kilo weight. And I wouldn't be able to do that because I'm not at that level. I need to start with something much lighter. Equally, a bodybuilder's not going to be any good with a program that says lift these 5 kilo dumbbells. So we've got to have the right plan based on where we're starting, and also, of course, where we want to get to be. Do we want to be an Olympic athlete, or do we just want to be a bit fitter? What's the equivalent for your business? So you've got to understand where you are and where you want to be. And then you have to decide on what are the best strategies to help you move up the scale. So step 1 is to understand where you are on what I call the profitable practice scale, and where do you want to be, so that you can start to look at which are the right strategies for you. The second step is to look at what's stopping you moving up the scale. So what is stopping you getting more clients, increasing your fee income, generating more profits, or even cutting your working hours if that's one of your goals? What's stopping you? Because there's only any point in fixing things that are actually broken. We want to spend our time working on the things that don't currently work. So if you want more clients and currently you have marketing that isn't bringing you predictable, consistent inquiries, or it's bringing you inquiries but from the wrong kinds of clients, then that's the thing that needs fixing. On the other hand, if you're getting the inquiries but you're not converting them, or you're converting them at too low a fee, then it's conversion that needs your attention. Don't play around with the marketing. Don't try and fix that. That's working. Instead, focus on the conversion skills of your team and the pricing, the fees that you're wanting to charge, making sure you're achieving good prices, good fees that get you good profits. On the other hand, if you've got lots of clients and maybe a bank of clients you've worked for in the past, then instead of focusing on marketing and bringing in new inquiries, it might be that you're best off to focus on the existing clients and make more of the clients you already have, help them with more services, help them with higher end services that they need, instead of just trying to bring in new clients who maybe just need a small kickoff piece of work from you. So you've got to look at what is stopping you moving up the scale. Where's the problem? What do you need to fix? And then you know what to put your focus on, and not start tinkering with the things that are working, but start focusing on the things that aren't working. And then step 3 is to understand what are the best strategies that you need to help you get more of those clients, or convert more clients at higher fees, or make more of the clients you've got, or free up your time to be able to work more on your business. You need to select the right strategies. And to be honest, this is not a one-size-fits-all approach. There's no, this strategy definitely will help you. It's a question of getting some advice really on what specifically is going to make the needle move the fastest in your business, so get you that fastest growth, get you into your business into the right condition as quickly as possible. And here you're probably going to need to take some advice from someone who has, already helped lawyers diagnose the problems that they've got and give them the right solutions for them. So think about taking some advice on that rather than just trying to maybe copy what another firm is doing, because they may be starting at a different point on the scale. They may be the equivalent of the bodybuilder, or they may be the novice. And depending where you are, you won't necessarily need the same strategies as them. So thinking about getting some advice to help you move up the scale more quickly. So those are 3 steps to help you plan on how to stay out in front and still keep growing, even when the economic crisis is against you, is acting against you, or seems to make you feel like you can only survive rather than thrive. We've helped lots of law firms to not just grow, but double their profits, even during economic crises like COVID-19, or like recently with the energy crisis and inflation. One of our clients just reported doubling her fee income in less than the first 3 months of working with us. So if you would like some help with this, get in touch. Let's have a chat and see if we've got the right recommendations and the right strategies to help you grow from where you are on the practice growth journey to where you really want to be. See you next time.